Hello everyone, welcome to How Logical. In today's video, we're gonna see how we can add read more on Tumblr mobile app. For that, first head over to your Tumblr app and make sure you are signed in. Now the next step would be to definitely click on this pencil icon, and in this new page you can add anything you like, but if you want to experiment with read more, you need to add at least 2 lines. Maybe I'll say hello, and in the next line I'll say welcome. Now if you want to insert read more after hello, you should click enter after hello, and then this button to the left of this person avatar. Select it. Now you have more, and finally do post it. Let's see how it's gonna look like an actual post. Click on it. Hello. Now if you keep reading, you can see the full post. Now you know how to add read more in Tumblr mobile app. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, bye bye.